alter ego. I built him up to be somewhat of a hero. Exactly what I needed. Either that or I go emo. Out of that or I go evil and give in to all the pressure that I continue suppressing. Isn't easy when people expect you to see success. All the shit you started doing for fun. Smoking cess in my bras and spitting rhyme. Who'da thought we see the time when one of us just might make it? It's time to see what I made of. Feeling like a superhero to the locals and the natives. You tell me I'm next up and you're really gonna make it. It ain't puzzling no more. I know exactly where my place is. Shit, I'm just being me. I like to love it on occasion. Life goes full circle, but I'm moving in ellipsis. I orbit around material things and petty bitches. The fakeness, but who am I to blame for it? Living in the cold, cold world, think we should blaze a bit. And as I get high, feel like we head into a free fall. We still the same kids that used to play up on a seesaw, trying to have a good time before my time is up. I've been spending it just learning how to live and hardly giving a fuck. What's up? I do this